Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily English. In today's video, we're going to listen to a fun and simple conversation between two friends at a cozy cafe. They'll talk about their favorite food and drinks, and maybe you'll hear something you like too.
This cafe is really nice. I love the atmosphere here.
Yeah, it's cozy and relaxing. Plus, the coffee smells amazing. What did you order?
I got an iced caramel latte and a slice of cheesecake. How about you?
I ordered a cappuccino and a tuna sandwich. I'm starving.
Nice choice. Do you like sweet or savory food more?
Definitely savory. I love things like burgers, pasta, and anything spicy. What about you?
I have a big sweet tooth. Cakes, cookies, ice cream, you name it. But I also enjoy sushi a lot.
Sushi? That's cool. I've tried it a few times, but I'm still getting used to it.
Maybe we should go to a sushi place next time. I'll help you pick the best ones.
Sounds good. As long as there's no raw octopus, I'm in.
Deal. And I'll try something spicy next time. Fair trade.